What do you say when a man who built a 500 crore company tells you he cannot sit quietly for even 10 minutes? And that is exactly what happened when one of my clients first came to me. From the outside, he was the very definition of successful, running a company worth over 500 crores, back-to-back meetings, international travel, hundreds of employees under him. The kind of man other people point to and say, look at that. That is what ambition looks like. And when he sat across me, his complaint was unexpected. He said, I cannot sit quietly for even 10 minutes without feeling restless. The moment silence came, I automatically pick up my phone, check emails, open work notifications, start planning something. Even during vacations, my mind keeps searching for work. And then he said one sentence that completely shifted where the conversation was going. When I stop working, I start feeling uncomfortable inside myself. And that sentence stayed with me. Until then, this sounded like a conversation about overwork. After that, it did not. The most interesting thing is we usually assume people become successful because they are comfortable handling pressure. But I sometimes wonder if the reverse can happen too. Can somebody become extremely good at staying busy because staying still has slowly become uncomfortable? Work can become many things over time. People give it definition of purpose, identity, structure, distraction. Having a difficult week, distract yourself with work. Feeling an unfamiliar, uncomfortable emotion, distract yourself with work. Discord in a relationship, distract yourself with work. बहुत बार प्रोडक्टिविटी ग्रोथ के लिए नहीं होती है, कभी कभी वो अंदर चल रही चीजों से थोड़ा डिस्टेंस, थोड़ा डिस्ट्रैक्शन क्रिएट करने के लिए भी होती है. The difficult part is that the world rewards this pattern very generously. People call it dedication, hustle, commitment, drive. Later I asked this person one question. If your business disappeared tomorrow, would you still know who you are? And he did not have an answer. A few months after working with him, he told me something. For the first time in years, I can sit quietly without running away from my chaos. And that felt like a very different definition of progress. Success outside and peace inside.